everyone, this is Jet, and since school is here again, I thought I'd show you how you can create a numbers worksheet for your kids. And you can also sell this on Amazon KDP, Etsy, your shop, or any other marketplace. We will be using Canva and with a free account. This will be very easy, so let's start. And before I forget, please help out my channel by hitting the like and subscribe button. Send your thoughts, questions, suggestions in the comment section. Share so others might learn from this video as well. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you in advance. Alright, so we're here in Canva, and all you have to do is create a design and go ahead to custom size. And I'm using 8.5 by 11 inches. So this is a kids worksheet. So normally I like it bigger for kids. So I use 8.5 by 11 or bigger than that. Then click on create new design. So now that we're here, just go to elements. In lines and shapes, just choose this square. And then we're going to resize this all the way like this. Now we have to make sure that it's centered. Now I'm going to change the color to none. And for the line weight or the border weight, I'll choose 1. And it's going to be this. And it will look like this. And I'm going to change this to a little bit blue. Because since it's for kids, I want it to be colorful. Go ahead and use that square again. Make it smaller. Put it here, all the way over here. And we'll change it to the same color. Now you have that. And I'm going to select both of them, group them. And over here, there's this lock icon. And just click this one. So you won't be able to move this when you're doing all the other stuff when you're designing. And for the text, go ahead to text. Or you can also hit Control T on your keyboard. And then I'll just do number 6. Oh, wait, number 6. And I'll make this Montserrat, like this. Oh, I'll have it white. Make it smaller, like so, and I'm going to put this over here. Now I'm just going to duplicate this. One way to duplicate things or images or graphics is just to hold the Option. I think it's the Alt key on PC, but in Mac it's going to be Option, and then just drag it. Now I'll make this right aligned. Change this to page 1. Oops, this. All right, now that you have that, go ahead and add another text. It's going to be number 6. Get a little bit bigger. I'll do Montserrat again. You can do another font if you like. And I won't have this as bold, so it's not so thick. And I'll go to Effects and just choose that. And I'll do this again. Count 6 pandas. It's smaller. About 16.2, put it over here. And in elements, I'll choose panda over here, or you can choose whatever graphics that you want. So panda is cute, and I'm just going to use it for this. A little bit smaller. Put it right here and duplicate them. Position and tidy up so it's evenly spaced, like so. Now go ahead. Choose lines under elements, this one, and just put it over here like that. And for the line style, it's going to be like this one, and only 1 point for the line weight. And just duplicate this twice, and position, tidy up. And for the middle one, go ahead and choose this. So it looks like a dotted or a dashed line. And now another text, number 6. And I'm going to change the font to Hollywood. This one, I was looking for dotted font and I've seen this one. So just make sure that it's there. Okay. And we'll change the color to a little bit lighter. Now just duplicate this a few more times and select 6 of them, and go to positions and tidy up. So they're all aligned and spaced evenly. So what we can do now, we can group these lines right here, and we can duplicate this again like this. And now the lines, let's ungroup that first and make sure that it's all the way there, right? This one too, and just group them again and just do another one. And I'll change this to this with no effects. All right, just do something like that. Bring this to the front, and I'll make this a little bit lighter, just like so. I'll just highlight this 6 and go to positions and then tidy up. All right, so just select all the dotted 6, this, and go to position and tidy up so it's evenly spaced. Now we can do this again. Oops, not that one. And just duplicate it again. Now change this to this one. All right, so now we can group this, then group this, another one, and we can also group these ones. All right, so now that you're done with that, let's go ahead and put another line and make it vertical. All right, and make sure it's centered. I think this is the center, that, and I'm gonna make this just one, color it the same, maybe 2. All right, okay, now I'm gonna copy this, put it here. I'll just say circle the number 6. And just copy this, maybe I'll put 8, just Montserrat. Now I'll just do this and change this later, okay? And now for the other side, you can do color 6 pairs. Montserrat again, there you go. And in elements, just search for pairs, and you'll come up with this. Just make sure that it's just like a line drawing, so kids can actually color this. So we can flip this like so, copy this, and like that. Go to position and tidy up, and then we can do this. So they can just color 6 pairs. All right, so you already have your page 1. And we can do another page, add page. So now just select this, unlock, and then copy. And here, you just paste it, just lock it again. And then we can copy the text also, just put it there. Okay, so now for page 2, go ahead and copy this. Now we'll copy this. We will ungroup this, and we will delete this dotted 6. And what we're gonna do, just go to text again and add letter S. Make sure that it's Hollywood. Put it here. For the color, just make it a little bit lighter. Make sure it's on the lines. And copy this. Change this to I. You can make this as uppercase or lowercase, but I think Hollywood doesn't have a lowercase. If you can find a font that's better than this one, just let me know in the comments down below. Right, so what you can do is copy this again, right, like that, and we can copy the letters. Let's group this so it's easier for us to copy, and we can do this. We go to position and tidy up, like so. Then we can make this, oops, not this one. Can group that one, and we can do it again. And then we'll copy this here, copy this one. So it's just copying and pasting actually. Let's see, before and after. So go here. So this is like what's before and after number 6. So they'll be counting 2. Then change this to none. And this one, border weight, this should be just 1. Or you can do 2 also. Maybe 2 will do. And change this to the same color. Now I'll just do this. All right, change this to 2 and the color to the same color, 2. All right, there you go. It's gonna be before. Okay, we'll copy this. It's number 6. So they're going to put here 5, 6, and then 7. All right, Yeah, there you go. Next, copy this one. You can say draw 6 stars or whatever you want, and they can draw it here. Then copy. Let's copy another one. Let's say fill in 6 boxes. So we can copy this, not that one. Drag this over here. Actually, we can have this a little bit bigger and move this here. Okay, I have to tidy this up. Now it's grouping time. Now they can fill in 6 boxes of whatever. Now you can have last one. Maybe circle the number or circle the word 6. Do Montserrat, do 8. Just make sure that they're aligned. All right, so I think that's about it. So you've got 2 pages, one with this and another one with that, with lots of activities in one page. Now there you go. Just make sure that they're all properly aligned, as these ones are not actually, but just make sure that they're all spaced equally and they're aligned also equally. And if you're making this for, say, Amazon or Etsy or any other marketplace, just make sure that the margins are big enough. So for example, if I'm going to sell this on Amazon and make a few of these numbers, and I'm going to make sure that it's 0.5 over here. So if you don't have these rulers over here, you can always view it from File and View Settings, and then Show Rulers and Guides. And if you want the margin, you can go to View Settings and add Guides or Show Margins. And this will show the margin right here. So I think this is 1 inch. Or let's see, it's 1 inch right here. You can see it. So that's 1 inch. So if you want 0.5, just drag this and put it over here. So that'll be your margin, right? And then also here, that's going to be 0.5 somewhere here. That's 0.5. All right, there you go. So yeah, and all you have to do is go to Share, Download. It's going to be either PNG or JPEG, but if you want to sell this, just use the PDF, either standard or print. That will give you a better or high quality file. And so that's it. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. So what do you think? Easy, right? Let me know down in the comments below on what other tutorials you want me to create. I'll do what I can. Have a great day or night, and keep watching and keep learning till the next video. Bye!